Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the cutoff, that is expected cutoff of Kerala state after NEET 2020 examination, which has been conducted on 30th of September. You people are definitely waiting for the result, and the result will be declared very soon, as we are listening from different sources that result is about to come very shortly. Now you people are waiting for the result as for the counseling also. So in this video we are going to discuss about the seats available in Kerala state for MBBS, and what will be the expected cutoff for different category, general, OBC and SC/ST candidates. You please stay tuned with Medical. Hello and a grand welcome to all of you on your favorite informative channel Medicoven. This is Amit and you are watching Medicoven's YouTube channel. Let's start the video and talk about the different seats available in Kerala, as well as what will be the expected cutoff for different category in Kerala state after NEET examination 2020. So friend, here is the detail of Kerala state. If you talk about the total available colleges in Kerala, then you have to visit mciindia.org website. This is the official website of Medical Council of India. After visiting there, you will get a column that is of college and course search. When you click over there, there is a simple page displayed like this, and here you have to select MBBS, and here you have to, if you are searching for government, you have to click on government. If you are searching for private, you have to click here, and if you are searching for all the colleges, you have to click on all category, as well as you have to click here the state of Kerala. And here when you click on view result, this page is being displayed. Here is the total colleges found, that is of 10 colleges. The total available seats is 1555, that is 1555 in Kerala if you are talking about government college, right? So these are the list. If you want to know about each and every college of a specific college, if you want to know any detail, then you have to visit mcc.nic.in. This is the official website of Medical Counseling Committee. Here if you search the college name, here from this tab you can find the college name, and after clicking on view you can see all the details of this college, of any particular college that you want to search. Right now friends, talking about the cutoff of 2020 after NEET examination in Kerala state, then friends, here is the list of the colleges and the allotment of different category in 2019 in Kerala state. The minimum marks that was required for Kerala in MBBS admission for general category, SC category and ST category. We will also discuss about OBC and PWD candidate. So you please stay tuned with this video. So this is the list of all India quota. Okay, this is not the list of state quota. This is the final list of all India quota after second round of counseling in NEET 2019. Okay, now comparing with NEET 2019, as the paper was easy in 2020, so here is the list of general candidate. The last allotment in this category, that is of 600 marks, and that is of Government Medical College Palakkad. And now talking about the average score, the average score was 613. This is the all India quota. Talking about state quota, no doubt the cutoff of state quota is always down as compared to the all India quota. So here you can minus maximum 20 marks, right? So for each category, for general if you are talking, you can minus 20 marks. Now when you minus 20 marks, the cutoff is expected, that is 590. So in 2020, if you are scoring 585 plus and you belongs to general category, you belongs to Kerala state and you want that your admission must be in a government college, definitely will be getting a seat if you are scoring more than 580 or 570 plus for general category in state quota, right? For all India quota you have to score more than 600 marks. Okay, for OBC, if you talk about then OBC, then friends, maximum 10 to 15 marks are down as compared to the general category for OBC. So for ABC, if you belong to OBC and you are scoring more than 565, okay, then there is a chance that you get a chance in medical college if you are scoring more than 565 or 570 for OBC category. Talking about SC candidate, the average score in 2019 it was 489, and this was of all India quota. Now talking about the SC quota, state quota, you have to again minus 20 marks or 15 to 20 marks. When you minus with 489, we get 469, and if you are scoring more than 465 or 460 in 2020, NEET examination for Kerala state, definitely will be getting a seat if it belongs to SC category. For all India quota, you have to score more than 489 plus or 480 plus. That is the average score that is expected in 2020. Okay, talking about SC candidate, the average score is 470. So in 2020, if you are scoring more than 460 or 65 or 470, definitely will be getting a chance in all India quota in Kerala state. Now talking about the state quota, the marks will be go down by 15 to 20 marks definitely. So again, if you are scoring more than 45 or more than 445 or more than 450 in ST category and you belongs to Kerala state, definitely you have a chance to get a government medical college for MBBS in Kerala state through state counseling. For all India counseling, you have to secure more than 470 marks. That this is the average mark of 2019. Paper was easy as compared to the 2019 and 18. The cutoff will not vary too much as compared to 2019 or 18. The paper was easy, so the cutoff will be as equal to 2019. It is expected through the expert and from different sources. If you get to know, then definitely will be getting it know that there will be a same marks, around same marks of 2018 or 19, and if people have not to worry, the marks will be go down or it may be go high by 5 to 10 marks only. So the cutoff will be around 2019. Okay, so here is the analysis of general category, means without PWD. Talking about PWD candidates, friends, then PWD candidates marks always goes down as compared to other candidates who are not in PWD criteria. So for PWD criteria, the marks is expected that if you are scoring more than 180 or more than 200 plus in Kerala in NEET 2020, definitely will be getting a seat in Kerala state government. If you are from PWD candidate and you are scoring more than 200 plus, there is a chance. However, you can also get seat in 150 marks, but it depends on the situation, it depends on the result. So all the best to you guys. Friends, the allotment of college and selection in MBBS college, it totally depends on the choices that you lock as well as on the merit basis that you people have achieved in NEET 2020. So what should be the counseling procedure, what should be the choice locking sequence for different colleges, and how many colleges are there in different states, what is their ranking as per their merit list. Medica Wing will help you people to get your dream college for any state in counseling process. We will issue a special helpline number for NEET aspirants to get admission in 2020 MBBS through counseling. Medica Wing will help you through the counseling process. We will also upload a video regarding the same. In next video, we'll upload the cutoff for Telangana as well as different other states. So you please stay tuned with Medica Wing. So friends, how was this video? If you like this video, please do share this content with your friends, as well as please do not forget to subscribe our channel if you are new in our channel, so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2020 and 2021. Thank you for watching Medica Wing. Thanks a lot.